Welcome to another CAN diagnostic video. Can you guess what today's video is about? Right, we have a DAF LF55. I don't know what year it is. 08, it's an 08. With the ABS light on, so we're going to open the dealer tool, which is called a Davy. And we'll put the top secret user and password in. You can't guess what that is. Right. We won't run a full scan, we'll go straight for the brakes. ABSE. Error information. I'll check the pending first. Wheel speed sensor front axle left. Near side front. Open circuit, OC open circuit. Check what the stored are. Wheel sensor speed drive out. Okay. So, it's happened a lot. Right, so I think the first things first is we'll get this near side front wheel free, and we'll give it a spin up, check what it looks like on the scope. Might need to push a signal to the ECU, check what the live data shows, and we'll go from there. Right, let's get under the wheel arch. First things first, with any system, we always want to be checking wire integrity, checking the sensor. Here we go. Just making sure it's not rubbed through anywhere. Make sure it moves all right. So this has been messed with before. And again, anywhere else. So obviously, because the wheel is constantly turning, this plastic, it just breaks, and then just metal fatigues and the wires break. It's a lot more common on the big trucks, and the wires are a lot longer. There's a lot more movement, that's why they break a lot more. It's not usual you'll see this on a car, although you do. It's more common on a lorry. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to replace all of this wiring. I want to see if I can find the fault first. If I can find which one's actually there. There we are, look. And you see that? It's the broken. So that's why it's open circuit, because it is literally open circuit. Right, what I'm going to do, I'm going to take the pins out of this connector and put some new wiring in. And we'll see how that looks. See you in a minute. Okay, so we've replaced the wiring, placed it all the way along, right the way into the chassis. We don't want to be joining any wires on a bend, especially one that's going to be moving constantly backwards and forth, because obviously they break. So we've joined them down here at the caliper where it's solid, and then we've joined them up inside the chassis where he's not going to move. So fingers crossed, we'll go inside the cabin, we'll have a quick gander, see what's curing. Either way, the ABS light's going to be on again. Right, let's read, and hopefully that pending fault should have gone, and we should go into stored to transfer over to stored. There we go, stored. Let's go back to error menu, reset. As it notes here, the ABS isn't going to work until after 7 kilometers an hour. So that light there is going to stay on until we start driving. I don't know if I mentioned, but really when you're doing ABS wires, it's a signal wire, so that the wires need to be shielded as best as possible. I've used proper ABS cable for this. Okay. soldered them up with proper insulation on after. Why does it keep doing that? Bloody Taliban phone. Shh. Okay, contacts on. Now hopefully we shouldn't have any faults now at all. Where that beeping telling you the ABS light's on, it's not on because it's just not being reset. As soon as it goes over 7k, it will. Come on, come on, come on. And there we are. Well, just a quick video. I thought it was going to be a bit more in depth than this, but obviously it's quite simple. Always visual check is the most important. Doesn't matter how many posh tools you've got. Doesn't matter how clever you think you are. A visual check is the most important check you can ever do. Right, till next time. Ta-da.